today. This is the Tesvor S6 robotic vacuum. This is actually the S6 Plus model. I got this about a month ago or so on Amazon, and they had a few coupons at the time, so I got it for $157, which I thought was just an incredible deal. I couldn't pass it up. And what makes this the Plus model is really the only difference between this Plus model and the normal S6. It's going to be the 5200 maH battery. The normal one comes at 2500. So I think they probably got a bunch of complaints because 2500 is just not very long. It's not going to be able to clean a big floor plan effectively without going back and having to recharge. So they upgraded the battery. So I think they took some ideas from good old Roborock, which most of their higher end robot vacuums have this 5200 battery, which is so much better in my opinion. I think all robot vacuums should have at least this size battery. Alright, of course you get your manual. Looks like you get a bonus air filter, that's always nice. Here is the power cable. You do get a remote control, but this can also be ran off of your app on your main robot vacuum. I will say, just picking this up, you can really feel that extra weight, and I'm sure a lot of it's from that battery, but it's also build quality. You can feel that this thing is going to be built nicely. Here are your side brushes, left and right. So this is dual side brushes, which I like and I don't like. I think I prefer just a single. Little hair cutting tool. Almost all vacuums come with this. And of course here is the docking station. Alright, let's take a look at the robot vacuum itself. Once again, like I said, it's quite heavy. Most of that is probably from the big battery. It's got a very large 600 milliliter dustbin. It's got a silicone and brush roll. Let's see if the top dome clicks. It does, so that's a good feature to have, so it won't get stuck underneath like a bed frame or your couch. Once again, very large dirt bin. It's gonna hold a ton of debris. Another thing I like is this mesh right in front of the air filter. This is gonna catch the very fine debris and makes it much easier to clean the air filter.
Smart lifestyle starts now. Hello, Master.
Ooh, Master, how about that? Alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something. If you did, please smash that like button. Consider subscribing, and let me know down in the comments what tests you'd like to see with this or any of my other 30 robot vacuums. If you're into robot vacuums, I think this is definitely the channel you should subscribe to. I make content all the time, and I would love for you to join. I will see you guys in the next one.